Hello, grade 9 students. Okay, I'm your math teacher, Sir Ken Palakpak. So let's proceed now to our next lesson, which is all about similarity of features. So the MELT illustrates similarity of features, and for the learning objectives, we have define and illustrate similarity of features, recall the corresponding sides and corresponding angles of features, find the measure of sides and angles in similar features. So what are similar polygons? These are two convex polygons which are similar if their corresponding angles are congruent and the ratio of the lengths of the corresponding sides are equal. So we have learned that for two features to be similar, their corresponding angles must be equal and their corresponding sides must be proportional. And this symbol, parang yung wave suggests similarity, while the symbol here suggests correspondence, read as corresponds to. Then for similar triangles, two triangles are similar if and only if the corresponding angles are congruent and the lengths of the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, now given the features below, triangle LAB is similar to triangle U. Now what are the corresponding points or corresponding vertices? L corresponds to Y, A corresponds to O, B corresponds to U. Then for the corresponding sides, LA corresponds to YO, AB corresponds to OU, LB corresponds to UY. And then for corresponding angles, angle L corresponds to angle Y, angle A corresponds to angle O, angle B corresponds to angle U. Now, since the triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are congruent. So, from the previous feature, angle L is congruent to angle Y, angle A is congruent to angle O, angle B is congruent to angle U. Yan, di ba? Dito, between triangle LAB and triangle U, their corresponding angles are equal. Yes. Angle L is congruent to angle Y, angle A is congruent to angle O, angle B is congruent to angle U, as stated here in the next slide. Yes. Also, the corresponding sides are proportional. So, LA over YO is equal to AB over OU equals BL over UY. Yan, yung mga sides na corresponding sides get the ratio. Can be written as a fraction. Then, they are all equal. So, the scale factor or ratio of similitude is the ratio of the lengths of any pair of corresponding sides. Okay, using the feature triangle LAB similar to triangle YOU, given angle L 62 degrees, angle O 48 degrees, LA 12, AB 9, YU 10, BL equals 6. Find the following: angle Y, angle A, angle U, YO, OU, and the scale factor. Okay, ito yung dalawang triangle kanina. So, hanapin natin dito angle A, angle B, angle Y, angle U. And the sides, side OU and OU. YO, I should say. YO and OU. So, for the solution, angle Y is congruent to angle L since they are corresponding sides. So, angle Y is also 62 degrees. How about angle A? Angle A is congruent to angle O because they are corresponding angles. Therefore, it's also 48 degrees. Angle A is 48 degrees. And for C, the sum of the interior angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. So, angle Y plus angle O plus angle U is 180 degrees. 62 yung Y. O is 48 degrees. What is the measure of angle U? Okay, 180 minus the sum of 62 and 48 lang yan. Okay, 62 plus 48 is 110. So, 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees. So, angle U is 70 degrees. Therefore, angle B is also 70 degrees. Yes. Here. 70 degrees din yung angle B because angle B and angle U are corresponding angles. Okay, with regards to the sides, solving for the side OY and OU. Okay, YO corresponds to LA and UY corresponds to BL. So, the corresponding sides are proportional. So, we have YO over 12 is equal to 6 over 10. 10 over 6 should say. YO over 12 is equal to 10 over 6. This will be our equation to solve for the length of YO. So by cross multiplication, we have 6yo equals 120. 120 divided by 6 is 20. Therefore, yo is 20. How about the length of OU? So for OU, let us form an equation. OU over AB is equal to yes, OU over AB is equal to UY over BL. So our equation will be OU over 9 equals 10 over 6. By cross multiplication, 6 OU equals 90. 90 divided by 6 is 15. Therefore, 15 yung the length of OU, while the length of YO is 20 units. Therefore, the scale factor is the ratio of any two corresponding sides. Since BL is 6 and OU is 10, 6 over 10 is 3 pips. That is the ratio, or the ratio of similitude between the two similar triangles. So the scale factor is 3:5, read as 3:5. Example 2. Triangle PAC is similar to triangle BET. The scale factor of triangle PAC to triangle BET is 4:7. That is the scale factor. Now, if find PA if B is equal to 21. Solution. So, the scale factor is 4/7, and we're trying to find BE. We're trying to find PA if B is 21. So, PA over 21 is equal to 4/7. Yan. But that will be our equation. PA over 21 equals 4/7. 4/7 is the scale factor. So, 7. The answer is 12. Diba? PA is equal to 12. How about here? We're trying to find the length of number 2, BT. So, to find the length of BT, okay, given PK is 8. 8 over BT is equal to 4/7. So, we have the answer is 14. BT is equal to 14. How about here? AK over ET equals 4/7. We're trying to find AK, where ET is 28. By cross multiplication, we have 16. AK is equal to 16. And then number 4, if angle P corresponds to angle B, so they are congruent. Since angle P is 79 degrees, angle B is also 79 degrees. And for number 5, if angle P is 79 degrees and angle T is 66 degrees, find angle A. Okay, angle A is also 66 degrees. I'm sorry, angle K is 66 degrees. Therefore, what is angle A? 180 minus the sum of 79 and 66. 145. 79 plus 66 is 145. So 180 minus 45 is 35 degrees. Angle A is 35 degrees. Therefore, angle E is also 35 degrees. Okay. Now, let's proceed to similar quadrilaterals. The features above are similar quadrilaterals. Corresponding angles. Angle L corresponds to angle M. Angle O corresponds to angle A. Angle E corresponds to angle H. Angle B corresponds to angle T. Corresponding sides. LO corresponds to MA. OV corresponds to AT. TH corresponds to BE. MH corresponds to LE. Yeah, you know that part. Corresponding angles and corresponding sides. Now, since angles and sides are similar, then the corresponding angles are congruent. Yes, since these two features are similar, then the corresponding angles are congruent. Yan, equal. Yung mga corresponding angles equal yan. Angle L is congruent to angle M. Angle O is congruent to angle A. Angle B is congruent to angle T. Angle E is congruent to angle H. Also, the corresponding sides are proportional. LO over MA is equal to OV over AT is equal to VE over HT is equal to EL or equals over MH. Okay, we have here two similar quadrilaterals with the given sides. We have quadrilateral song and quadrilateral beat. Song is similar to beat, shown in the figure. SG is 2, SO is 5, ON is 4, GN is 3, BT is 6, BE is 15, EA is 12, AT is 9. We can establish the following relationships. Angle S congruent to angle B. Angle O is congruent to angle E. Angle N is congruent to angle A. Angle G is congruent to angle T. If the measure of angle S is 70 degrees, therefore angle B is also 70 degrees. If angle O is 55, angle E is also 55. Angle N is 110, angle A is also 110. Angle 2, 125, angle T is also 125 degrees. Yan. Corresponding angles are congruent. Also, the sides are proportional. 5 over 15 is equal to 4 over 12 is equal to 3 over 9 is equal to 2 over 6. Get the lowest term. All of them have 1/3. So 1/3 is the scale factor. Scale factor or ratio of similitude of the similar quadrilaterals 1:3. And 1/3. Okay. Even. Group is similar to yes, pentagon mates. Name the corresponding angles, name the corresponding sides. If angle M, okay. Find angle M if angle G is 58 degrees. GR is 10, MA is 15, find RO if 80 is 21. Find the scale factor if O is 12 and T is 18. So, what are the corresponding angles? Angle G corresponds to angle M. Angle R corresponds to A. Angle O corresponds to angle T. Angle U corresponds to angle E. Angle P corresponds to angle S. For the corresponding sides, GR corresponds to MA. RO corresponds to AT. OU corresponds to TE. UP corresponds to ES. PG corresponds to SM. Angle M is congruent to angle G. Correct, because they are corresponding angles. Now, since angle G is 50 degrees, angle M is also 58 degrees. Letter D. Write the corresponding sides. If GR is 10, MA is 15, RO is unknown, 80 is 21. Okay, find RO. Yan, given yan. So you can also draw these two features, no, group and mates. Consists of 5 sides, therefore they're pentagon, similar pentagons. So let's just also for RO. Yan, cross multiplication, 10 times 21, 210 divided by 15. 210 divided by 15 is 14. 14 is RO. Therefore, the scale factor is 2:3. Yes, 2:3. Lowest term of 10 over 15. Yan, 2/3. Now, let's proceed to exercises. Name all the corresponding sides and angles in the two pentagon, track and plane. So these are two similar pentagons. So corresponding sides and corresponding angles, answer. Okay, for the corresponding sides, TR corresponds to PL, RU corresponds to LA, UC corresponds to AN, CK corresponds to NE, KT corresponds to EP. Now for the corresponding angles, angle T corresponds to angle P, angle R corresponds to angle L, angle U corresponds to angle A, angle C corresponds to angle N, angle E corresponds to angle K. Okay, complete the following ratios. For number 1, TR over PL is equal to RU over LA, correct. Number 2, CK over NE is equal to UC over AN. Yeah, corresponding sides niyan. Next, number 3, TK over PE is equal to blank over AN. Yeah, anong corresponding ng sides ng TK? PE. Wait, TK. TK over PE is equal to... Parang may mali, no? Tama, UC. Kasi we're trying to use UC pala. Number 4, RU over LA is equal to blank over PE. Yes, TK. And number 5, EP. KT over PE or EP is equal to TR over PL. Given. Okay. Quadrilateral sexy is similar to quadrilateral girl. And the scale ratio of sexy to girl is 5:3. Okay. Find the length of GI if SE is 25. Yan. So 25 over GI is equal to 5/3. So the answer is 15. A, correct. Let's multiply line. You can do this orally. Next, find the length of SY if GL is 18. SY over 18 is equal to 5 is to 3. 30. Let's multiply. B. Yun. Next, find the length of XY if LR is 12. XY over 12 is equal to 5/3. 20. C. Number 4, find the length of EX if IR is 9. EX over 9 is equal to 5/3. 15. So it's D. And number 5, the angle congruent to angle Y is angle, very easy. Angle L. Meron pa dito, triangle cut is similar to triangle dog. Therefore, their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, measure of angle A. What's the measure of angle A? Okay, the same as angle O, 36 degrees. What's the measure of angle D? The same as angle C, 64 degrees. What's the measure of angle T? The same as angle G. Pero ano ba yung angle G? 64 plus 36, 100. So 80 yung T. Therefore, angle G. Angle T is also 80 degrees. And the length of GD. Okay, 25 over 40 is equal to 10 over GD. Yan, ano answer? 16. Number 5, OG. Find the length of OG. 20 over OG is equal to 25 over 40. The answer is 32. What is the scale factor? 25 over 40, 5/8. 5 is to 8. Yan, 5 is to 8. Thank you very much for listening. I'm your sir in mathematics, Sir Ken Palakpak. Thank you for listening and good day everyone. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.